my god, just look at this house. I love it. Looks like those guys are blue lover. Well, I didn't get my Christmas gift yet. Ready, set, go.
Venga, venga, yo, venga, venga.
What's up, guys? Today we are in Brooklyn. This is 11th Avenue and 85th Street. And just look behind me. There's holiday lights. And I think this is the best place if you want to see the holiday lights and you want to avoid the crowd. Just search Dyker Heights in Brooklyn in your Google app and you can find this place quickly. So come with us. We will see the lights here.
Wow, look. Wow, that's great.
Oh my god, just look at this house. So beautiful. Well, I'm a little bit cold though, but I want to stay a few minutes here. It's really beautiful. Here's another beautiful house with red and white lighting. There's not much green, but I love it. Oh, cool. I didn't get my Christmas gift yet. But there's a lot.
You see here?
Ready, set, go. I got it.
It's beautiful out here. Can I get on the video?
Yeah. We're in the streets of Brooklyn, New York, Dyker Heights. Beautiful lights.
It's gorgeous out here.
It is.
Happy holidays to all.
Those guys are awesome. Wow, this house is just gorgeous. I really love this drummer. It's super funny.
Yeah.
But this is not.
You don't know that one.
But you know what? This is not Clinton Road.
I know that one Clinton Road, but they had a Clinton.
I thought your house is in Clinton Road.
I know. You forgot the way, right? This is my second house.
Oh.
You like this?
Yeah, not bad. Very simple.
Guys, benga, benga.
Benga, benga, yeah, yo, benga, benga.
Do you know benga means in Spanish? Come on, come. Benga.
Benga, benga.
Wow.
Oh, oh, my little puppies. Which one you want? Did you hear the sound?
Wow.
Looks like those guys are blue lover.
Yeah.
Everything blue.
It's nice.
If you like our video,
Please subscribe to our channel,
and don't forget to share.
like and comments.
We are the Vagabond,
And we will be back very soon with our new video.
so stay tuned.
And happy holidays!